Hey Panda Army, welcome back. So in today's video, you're going to be seeing what people trade for a parrot. Let's get started. And by the way, I traded my parrot for a few things. A turtle, red turtle, a rainbow wand, and in the star rewards over here, right here, the 600 star thing, whatever thingy jiggy. Traded that too. I forgot what else. I think, oh yeah, ginger cat, and then I got it, and it was one of my dream legendary pets. My dream neon legendary pet is a neon giraffe. I really want one. But since I got scams for my neon Arctic Ranger, I don't think that's gonna happen anymore. Wait, I should try to get this. I'll literally, just to get Snowy back. I want it. Okay, please trade me. Please. Oh, whatever. So I'm just going to type in trading parrot. There we go. Copy and paste.
I guess apparently everything's supposed to be opening up by the 19th.
I just said trading parrot.
Date today. Where's my phone?
Okay. Wait, so he wants to trade me. Okay. Oh my god! Guys, I don't know, should I accept? Will he accept? Guys, I'm really not sure. Oh.
Where's house?
Flexer. I would have accepted it, I think. He actually is a real flexer. Anyways. Paste. Oh my god. It's a crow. I don't know which one is better, so I'm just... Hi, Olivia. Hello. She's on Xbox, so she can't talk. Oh my god, it's a neon owl! Oh my god! Oh, that's my friend. Never mind. My friend in real life. She got her dream pet. I got scams for not my dream pet. It wasn't mine. Actually, it was pretty easy to get, but one of my friends, I traded my neon dragon for it. So I had a neon unicorn from trading my from trading. Oh my god, I don't know. I mean, I'm already making one. Should I accept this? Will she accept? Because she really does. Oh. Okay. Well, she really does like parrots. Neon golden rat is trash. What? I mean, unless it's a neon legendary. Okay. It's not that bad. I mean, I'm making one because I had a better pet. Trust me, I had that. I got scammed. So now that I don't have to type, so what happened is, it's, the fail trade, yeah, that. So if you guys don't know what it is, so you put a pet into the trade and food, and then when you're about to accept, you give the food to the person, and then the trade fails. But what she did to me, I put my best pet, a neon Arctic reindeer, into the trade and food. I gave her the food. I accepted, but before she accepted, she gave me the food back, so the trade went through, and then she left the game. She did say that she would give me a neon shadow dragon or a neon giraffe, but, well, that did not happen. Now it's going to be harder for me to get my dream pet because all of this, my inventory just looks bad. I mean, I never had I really didn't have that much pets at all, when I did have it. I don't know, guys. Would it be a good trade for a crow? Let me trade her. Guys, is it a good trade? Or is Well, this one's full grown. This one's preteen. I don't know. Do I accept? Oh my god, she accepted. Olivia, I will think. Olivia, I will think. Okay? Okay. Okay. Oh, I have that. What is wrong with me? Yeah, we have the same. I think hers is full grown. No, it's preteen. Mine's older. To get my, oh yeah, she's on Xbox. So, yeah, she can't, type. I'm not adding my Frost. Oh, people are arguing over here. So, I'm not really getting any trades. Oh, yeah, I forgot. My trades are off. Oops. Now my trades are on. Trading parrot. My trades are now on. Oh, Simi Sweet. That's my friend. What, is she gonna add anything? That's not fair. That's not fair. I'm sorry. That's not. Oh, sorry. I'm not even giving people a chance to add. Sorry. Something. I don't know what be like. Do I accept if somebody? What if somebody put a neon evil union to the trade? I think I might accept it because I don't know. It'd just be a good trade to me since it's. I don't know. Is it ultra rare or legendary? I think it's ultra rare. Yeah. It'd be an ultra rare. Legendary. I don't know if it's a legendary or not. Well, since the unicorns are legendary, it actually might be legendary. I'm not sure. I think it is legendary, and I'm not sure. We're not in a really rich server, so, wait. Okay. She's gonna add her crow. I don't know, guys. A cracked egg. I have everything that she's putting. Oh my god. This would be fair. I don't have that. What for?
Yeah, like, hold the mouse. Can you move the mouse? Nevaeh, move the mouse.
I have this. Oh, I have a reindeer leash. I don't know, guys. I'm not sure. Is this a good trade? Olivia, okay, I had that, but then I traded it for a rocket. A rocket thing, this thing. I don't know, guys. Is this a good trade to you guys? Tell me in the comments down below. I don't really know if I should accept this or not. I want to see if she accepts, though. Right now, I'm actually seeing people's offers. Oh, she unclicked it, but then she unclicked it. I don't know. Parrots I don't know. Are they rare? Guys, comment down below, and if you guys say yes, I will make a video of me trading for it, or like getting it. I'm so sorry, Olivia. I'm so sorry. I need to think. Jump if okay. I think she might be mad. Oh, she jumped. That's not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair. I'm not looking for those. Well, not those kind of pets. I'm looking for like a legendary that's worth it. Probably the crow, but I don't know if I should accept or not. Me personally, I kind of like my parrot. I just don't know if it's a good trade. I'm going to trade this girl. Maybe I can get a frost dragon. She's probably gonna decline it because some people don't want to trade their legendary pets. Is there anybody in the server? Can I like switch servers? Which server should I go to? Maybe I'll go to which server? Wolfie Girl 2020. Oh wait. Oh yeah. I'm sorry. I didn't know I was in the trade. Will she accept this? Will she accept? Oh. I'm so weird. My friend's in the game. Let's see if she has an offer. Can you offer for my parrot? Oh my god, it's a hyena! Hyena! I want to trade her. Trading you. Come on, accept the trade. She's not gonna accept. I don't need a family. I already have a family. She declined it. Why? Well, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys liked it. I'm sorry that I didn't get any trades, but it's fine. Bye, pandas.